In this video, we are discussing question on transient analysis. It is from GATE 2015 Set 1 Electronics. It is of 2 marks and numerical answer type, and it is a very easy question. So it says that the switch is closed at t equal to 0. This switch was closed at t equal to 0. So before t equal to 0, so for t is less than 0, the switch was open. For t is less than 0, the switch was open. This is the first point. Second point is that we have to assume 0 initial conditions. 0 initial conditions. So Vc 0 minus is equal to 0. And Vc 0 minus will be equal to 0 plus, because capacitance opposes any instantaneous change in voltage. So Vc 0 minus will be equal to Vc 0 plus, because capacitance opposes any instantaneous change in voltage. So because of 0 initial conditions, Vc 0 minus was 0, so Vc 0 plus is also equal to 0. Now we will draw this circuit for t equal to infinite. For t equal to infinite or steady state, we will redraw this circuit. So in steady state, capacitor can be replaced by an open circuit, and for t is greater than 0, the switch will be closed. So at t equal to infinite, the switch is closed. This is a 10 volt voltage source. This is a 3 ohm resistor. This is a 2 ohm resistor. And for t equal to infinite, the capacitors, in the steady state, the capacitance can be replaced by an open circuit. So the capacitance is replaced by an open circuit. So now this VCT will appear across this 2 ohm resistor. So Vc infinite is equal to the voltage across this 2 ohm resistor. The t equal to infinite is the steady state. So by voltage division rule, Vc infinite is equal to 10 into 2 upon 2 plus 3 by voltage division rule. So this will be equal to 4 volt. So Vc infinite is equal to 4 volts. Now we can just apply the formula. And it asks us Vct at t equal to 1 second. So Vct is equal to, this is the general formula for any quantity in transient analysis, is equal to Vc infinite plus Vc 0 plus minus Vc infinite into e to the power minus t by tau. So here we have to find the tau. So tau is equal to R equivalent into C. So the equivalent resistance is equal to, when we want to find this equivalent resistance, then we short this voltage source. So this 3 ohm and this 2 ohm will appear in parallel. When we short this voltage source, then this 3 ohm and the 2 ohm resistor will appear in parallel across this capacitor. So R equivalent will be equal to 3 into 2 upon 3 plus 2. So this is equal to 6 upon 5. So tau will be equal to R equivalent into C. So 6 upon 5, and the value of C is given to us as 5 upon 6. So tau is equal to 1. So we just have to put these values here. Vc infinite is 4 volt. So Vct will be equal to 4 plus Vc 0 plus is 0. So 4 minus 4 e to the power minus t, because tau we have found to be 1. And we have to find Vct at t equal to 1. So at t equal to 1, 4 minus 4 e to the power minus 1, because we have to find at t equal to 1. So when you solve it, you will get 2.528 volts as the answer. Thank you.